Oh yeah, so it's been a really busy couple of days. Um, as you can see, I have been very busy, and I've got the two wall units back up at the back, and yeah, that back wall's been finished. I've got to trim the windows out, and I've got a box to put on the electrics there, and the router's just hanging down, but I've got to sort that out. It's a solid cable, so that's fine for a day. Yep, that's it. So I can start doing some work instead of tidying constantly, although there's still lots of tidying to do. As you can see, there's some wood over there, and there's some plasterboard and all sorts. But yeah, it's all looking good, and I reckon I can get the floor done maybe next week, because that's got to be levelled. It's so dangerous. Don't know. And it's breaking my back because my footing's uneven all the time. I have a bad back anyway. Got one last bit of plasterboard in to put in that corner, and then the ceiling that can be boarded, and then everything's well on its way. But I reckon 3 to 4 weeks and we'll be building units and kitting it out, which is going to be really exciting. I can't wait. But at least I can do some work. I've got some orders I've got to make that I've been sitting on for a couple of weeks now, which is not like me at all. Normally an order comes in and it's out within 2 days, but I just haven't had any space to work, not safely. So if this is the sort of thing that you really like, please subscribe, hit the like button, that's massive for us, and maybe leave a comment, say you know, what you might like to see. Oh, actually, I do have one question. If anybody's a YouTuber or knows anything about cameras, I've been into photography before, but I specifically want a camera for doing my YouTube videos. The phone is so temperamental. Every time I get a call or a text notification of any kind, it stops my filming. Now I've done a full factory reset, I've tried everything, and I just can't stop it. I think there must be a fault with the phone. But I've done an insurance claim because of the video where I dropped it. So it's a refurbished phone, and it's not been right really since I got it. So yeah, if anybody knows, I know there's a Sony one that people recommend, but yeah, if anybody's got any sort of real good info on a phone, that'd be great.